Hello everyone and welcome to Flush. My name is Heeva and today we're going to walk through the assembly of our 2-pack shipping boxes. Specifically, we're going to be packing the Candle Sign straight-sided tumbler, but this video will serve as a good example for any vessel that's packed within our 2-pack shipping box category. So with that, we'll just jump right in. So here we have an unfolded 2-pack shipping box. Before we start folding, let's get familiar with the box a little bit. Here we have the main body of the box, and then as we work our way down, we have the attached insert that has the cutouts sized appropriately for the vessel the box was intended for. So now that we got familiar with it a little bit, we'll go ahead and start with folding. What I like to do, especially on the first few units as you get used to our boxes, is find each crease and give it a fold. Now what that does is it just helps show you how the box naturally wants to go together and helps prevent any chance of the box wanting to fight you or bind up as you're getting it folded up. And again, just the first few units, as you get familiar with the boxes, it's not necessary to do this on every unit, but just the first few as you get in a nice flow. So once we do that, we'll make sure the creases are facing up towards us. You can see how everything's wanting to fold up here. And then we'll start with grabbing these two flaps on either side. We'll fold them up towards the ceiling, in towards each other, and then down. Now we'll backtrack and do that again. From the flap position, we'll grab these two flaps. We'll fold them up towards the ceiling, in towards each other, and then down. And you can see the box is starting to take shape here. We'll go ahead and press in with our index fingers on either side, and then with our remaining fingers, grab these two flaps, fold them in, place the box on its back, and then press in with our thumbs. At this point, you can hold the box together with one hand and it won't pop open on you. You can get a good look here and notice that the rollovers on each side have locking tabs that will go ahead and fold down and lock. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to fold down, and you should hear a nice audible locking sound when you do this. That's going to give you confirmation that it's positively locked and you're good to go. Now that the box is assembled, the insert needs to fold. So the insert has 3 flaps here, 2 on either side and 1 longer one. We're going to fold those in towards each other just to get them out of the way, and then fold the insert in. You'll notice immediately these locking tabs on either side are going to friction against the inside walls of the box. That's good. That's a good sign. We want to just keep going until they're folded all the way down and then inserted into the slot on the box. If we get a good look here on either side, you can notice that the tabs are completely locked into the correct position. And what I like to do and what I recommend is to use your thumb and run it along the top of the insert just to make sure you can feel that that tab is inserted all the way. It's just a little added extra insurance just to make sure that it's fully locked in the correct position. Now from here, we're going to find each of these fingers and fold them out of the way. This is going to help us place the vessel inside the insert. So make sure we fold that out of the way, and then grab each one of your vessels and start inserting them. You'll notice immediately there'll be a little bit of friction. That's a good sign. We're going to keep working our way past and press the vessel all the way down. We'll do the same thing. Press it in, past the friction point, all the way down, and there we go. From here, we'll just close up the box, and then there's going to be an open seam here where we need to place a piece of tape prior to shipping just to make sure the box doesn't fly open. So make sure we tape that end of the box there, the open seam, and that should do it. Now from here, you can use your imagination to make the box your own. You can use either custom stamps or custom labels. We also have a lot of good examples of this on the gallery on our website, so take a look if you're looking for some inspiration, and make the box your own. So that's it. That's the assembly of our 2-pack shipping box. We hope you love it. If you have any questions about it, of course, reach out to our team. We're here and we're happy to help. Thanks so much.